Welcome back to my YouTube channel, WARS PAK. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, it's back, and it's not just a revival, it's a complete reimagination. Volkswagen has taken the beloved classic and infused it with modern engineering, luxury, and cutting-edge technology to set a whole new standard for what a luxury SUV can be. It's a bold move from VW, blending retro charm with futuristic ambition, and the result is a vehicle that commands attention the moment you see it. The 2025 Karmann Ghia doesn't just bring back nostalgic design, it redefines it. The silhouette still carries hints of the iconic coupe from decades past, but the body has been elevated into a sleek SUV form, giving it a stronger stance and more aggressive road presence. LED matrix headlights, a newly sculpted grille, and seamless body lines give the car a futuristic touch without losing the elegance of the original. VW clearly wanted to honor the past while pushing boundaries for the future, and they've pulled it off brilliantly. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. Volkswagen has equipped the 2025 Karmann Ghia with a hybrid powertrain option, as well as a fully electric variant, catering to both traditional drivers and the EV-loving crowd. The hybrid model combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor, producing over 300 horsepower and impressive torque for a dynamic driving experience. Meanwhile, the all-electric version offers up to 400 miles of range on a single charge, thanks to Volkswagen's advanced battery platform. Both versions feature all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, providing smooth handling and top-tier comfort, whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway. Step inside, and it's clear that luxury was a top priority. The interior is a masterpiece of premium materials and cutting-edge tech. Expect ventilated leather seats, a panoramic glass roof, customizable ambient lighting, and a massive curved infotainment display that wraps elegantly across the dashboard. Voice controls, gesture support, and seamless smartphone integration take the driving experience to another level. There's also an advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new AI-based predictive safety system that uses real-time data to help prevent collisions before they happen. One of the most talked about features is the smart interior cabin that adjusts automatically to your preferences. It learns your driving habits, adjusts the seat position, climate settings, and even your favorite playlists, creating a deeply personalized driving environment. VW is calling it the Ghia Sense system, and it's one of the most intuitive infotainment setups we've seen so far. Volkswagen is clearly aiming to shake up the luxury SUV segment, and the 2025 Karmann Ghia proves they're serious. This is not just a car, it's a statement. A statement that says performance, heritage, luxury, and sustainability can all live in the same space. As always, I'll keep bringing you the latest news, reviews, and updates on vehicles like this right here on WARS PAK. So stay tuned because this is just the beginning, and the road ahead is looking seriously exciting.